This video shows how to use the TC501 wrist mount for hands-free operations and scanning. Ideal for warehouse and logistics operations for manual handling, picking and packing. It can be easily rotated between landscape and portrait modes. To wear, loosen the adjustable strap and slide your arm into position before tightening for comfort. Turn the adjustable dial clockwise for a precise uniform fit. To attach the device into the mount, slide the scan end of the device in first and click into place. The TC501 wrist mount requires a rugged boot to be installed first. To remove the device, press the release tab and lift it out. To remove the mount, pull the dials up and instantly release tension for quick removal. Multiple strap lengths are available, useful for thick or loose clothing. The comfort pad is replaceable for hygiene and multi-user sites. To charge the device in a cradle, you must first remove it from the wrist mount. For more help, please visit zebra.com/support.